We have some breaking news coming in at this point in time, and doesn't come as a big surprise because now you have another reaction coming from former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti, who's come out and supported the separatist leaders, but tweeting against the arrest and the detention that has been made of separatist leader Yasin Malik. Now she is openly questioning the government's crackdown on separatists and batting for the separatist leaders. Let me just quickly quote from that tweet that we are putting up on your screens. In the past 24 hours, Hurriyat leaders and workers of Jamaat organization have been arrested. Fail to understand such an arbitrary move which will only precipitate matters in J&K. Under what legal grounds are their arrests justified? You can imprison a person but not his ideas. Unquote. Zeenat is with us on the phone line. Zeenat, not coming as a surprise because we've seen the kind of nervousness, do we say, or jitteriness as far as Mehbooba Mufti is concerned, also former Chief Minister Omar Abdullah is concerned, because since action has been taken against all those separatist leaders by the Jammu and Kashmir administration, they are openly coming out and batting for them.
Absolutely, Amita, you have been pointing it very correctly that the action is coming and the Mehbooba is raising her voice against the arrest. But this is coming at a time when the sources within the MHA are telling that after the episode of the Pulwama attack, the central government will be very tough on Kashmir now, and there will be more crackdowns and more arrests as far as the separatists, the Hurriyat leaders or the Jamaat leaders or the activists is concerned. And we have been seeing the outcome of all those things that were discussed in the MHA since yesterday when the Yasin Malik JKLF chief was detained, and in the night-long crackdowns, more than 20 leaders and activists across Kashmir have been detained. And now the Mehbooba is questioning the move that under what law all these people have been arrested, and then you can arrest a person but can't cage that idea.
Absolutely, because she even goes on to say that you can imprison a person but not his ideas, but it is not the idea as far as Yasin Malik or other separatist leaders, because their security has already been withdrawn. And so far what has been cited by the Jammu and Kashmir administration is that it is a complete wastage of the scarce resources that the state has. But